Today we're making buttermilk pancakes. Let's start off by combining the dry ingredients. So I have here about 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, then add to that 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Okay, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, then get a wire whisk and mix the dry ingredients. Okay, should be good. Next, let's add in our wet ingredients. So using the same glass that we used for the all-purpose flour, so this is about 2 cups. Add in your buttermilk. So the same amount as the flour. Okay. And add in 2 eggs. Okay, and then mix everything together. Okay, you can stop if you can no longer see any more of the flour. And add in some olive oil. Okay, not too much. Mix, and then you can set this aside. Next, in a preheated pan, add some butter. Okay, lower the heat a bit. Then add in your pancake mix. Okay, check if the pancake isn't sticking to the pan anymore, like that. It's loose. Check if it's brown. Then you can flip it. Okay, after about 2 minutes, check the other side. So this is done. Let's make another one. Add in a bit more butter. Okay. Okay, so this one is rounder than the first one that we made. After 2 minutes, check. Okay, it's pretty good when we can flip. So the excess that spills over, just push it towards the center. Okay, so after 2 minutes on the other side, let's check. Okay, so this should be good. Switch off the heat. Okay, and put this on top of the first one. Okay, last step is let's taste. So I added some butter on top, and this is best paired with maple syrup. Okay, let's make a slice. So as you can see, it's nicely cooked. So let's taste. So that's really good. It's not too sweet, unlike the pancake mixes that you buy from the grocery. You can really taste the difference with the buttermilk. It's a lot creamier, and it's even a lot fluffier. So if you can get your hands on buttermilk, it's really worth it. And try making your own pancakes at home. And we're done for the day.